Great Scott! Marty, there's been a disruption in the time continuum, creating this new temporal event sequence.
English, Doc.
Imagine that this line represents time. Present, past, and future. Somewhere in the past, the timeline skews, creating this alternate present. No Camaros, no Datsuns.
No DeLoreans.
Precisely.
That's heavy, Doc. What are we gonna do?
Marty, we need to go back. Back to the 80s!
The Back to the 80s car show and food truck rally is this June at the Burnsville Center. Cars, food, music, and more. Visit backtothe80smn.com.